454433, clear the active Mount Vernon.
Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is departing runway 15 left turn out to the east, Mount Vernon. All right, final is clear. One five verifies twice. Mixture is full rich. All right, let's go. Full power, making full power. Gauges are in the green. Airspeed is alive. Climbing at 80. We've been cleared to 4,000. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is left crosswind, runway 15 exiting to the east, climbing to 5,000, final call, Mount Vernon. Kansas City Center, Cessna 5523 Golf out of Mount Vernon, climbing through 1,800.
Cessna 5523 Golf, Kansas City Center. Radar contact 1 mile southeast of Mount Vernon Airport. Climb and maintain 5,000.
Position checks, climb maintain 5,000 for 5523 Golf.
At November 5523 Golf, contact Evansville approach 127.35.
2735 for 5523 Golf, good day.
Good day.
Diamond 705, Bravo Lima, Evansville approach, Evansville, altimeter 3043.
Evansville approach, Cessna 5523 Golf, level 5,000.
Cessna 5523 Golf, Evansville approach, Evansville, altimeter 3043.
43 for 5523 Golf.
November 5523 Golf, contact Louisville approach 132.07.
3207 for 5523 Golf.
EPS 2806 Heavy, contact ND Center 121.17.
2117, EPS 2806, we'll see him.
And Louis will approach 5523 Golf back with you, level 5,000.
Cessna 5523 Golf, Louisville approach, altimeter 3042.
42 for 5523 Golf.
Sirius 1 Charlie Papa, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, Cessna at 5,000.
1 Charlie Papa, we got a little straight, we're looking for him.
Number 23 Golf, traffic 11 o'clock, 2.5 miles southbound, Sirius 6,000.
23 Golf looking.
Cessna 5523 Golf, contact Lexington approach 120.75.
2075 for 5523 Golf.
Afternoon, Louisville approach, EPS 2790.
Lexington approach 5523 Golf, level 5000. We have the weather at our destination. Would like to request the RNAV 11 from Zexin straight approach.
Number 5523 Golf, Lexington approach, altimeter 3043, proceed direct Zexin vectors RNAV 11.
43 direct Zexin for the RNAV 11 for 5523 Golf, thanks. Clear direct Zexin, we'll be expecting that. So, I've already read the notes. Notes do not apply. We are getting the Georgetown altimeter. 43. And then Unicom is 22.8. Missed approach is climb to 3000 direct to DADEC and hold. That's going to be a parallel entry. Zexin, outside of Zexin, out or above 3000. And after Zexin, we go down to 2500. Final approach fix is Husik.
5268 Juliet, VFR altitude and own navigation is your discretion for the north practice area.
Roger that. Own altitude and north practice area will be back with you shortly. 68 Juliet.
After Husik, we can descend down to 1460 to Uzam. Our MDA is 1220, that's 500 feet above the runway. And if we don't get the localizer performance, we do LNAV. That's going to make our MDA 1300, which is 580 above the runway. And then runway 11 will exit to the right. We should be able to land visually. And we also have a PAPI. Approach has been briefed.
Number 5268 Juliet, maintain VFR out below 3,500. I'll have crossing traffic 10 o'clock, 8 miles, west to east, a Cessna at 5,000 for 4,000.
Looking for traffic, 68 Juliet, and maintain VFR below 3000.
Number 5523 Golf, to maintain 4,000, traffic 1 to 2 o'clock, 8 miles, maneuvering in the airspace of Skyhawk at or below 3,500. I'll have lower passing.
Roger, down to 4,000, we'll be looking for that traffic, 5523 Golf.
Number 5523 Golf, cross Dixon at or above 3,000, cleared RNAV, runway 11, Cynthiana.
6 and at or above 3,000, clear for the RNAV 11 for 5523 Golf. And approach 5523 Golf has the field inside. We can go ahead and cancel, sir.
Number 23 Golf, IFR cancellation received. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR and change advised frequencies approved. No track between you and the field. Good day.
Squawking VFR for 5523 Golf, thanks. Cynthiana traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is about 12 to the northwest. We'll be making a straight in 11-mile final for the runway at 11, Cynthiana. Cynthiana traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf, 10-mile final, runway 11, Cynthiana. Cynthiana traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf, 5-mile final, runway 11, full stop, Cynthiana.
Cynthiana traffic, I'll be for 10-mile final, 11, Cynthiana.
Cynthiana traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is on a 4-mile final for runway 11, full stop, Cynthiana.
And 16 back, extended left base, runway 7, full stop, copy.
Cynthiana, Cessna 5523 Golf, 4-mile final, runway 11, Cynthiana. Traffic into Cynthiana, you got us inside in front of you, sir?
We don't, but we're looking.
We're about 85 knots ground speed, 3-mile final now. Cynthiana, traffic Cessna 5523 Golf, 2 mile final, runway 11, full stop, Cynthiana.
Copy C, traffic, Cessna 16 back, 2 mile final, runway 7, full stop, copy C.
Cynthiana, traffic Cessna 5523 Golf, 1 mile final, 11, full stop, Cynthiana.
Cynthiana, traffic RV4, 4 mile final, Cynthiana.
And Cynthiana, traffic Cessna 5523 Golf is clear for the runway, Cynthiana.
Cynthiana, traffic RV4, 1 mile final, 11, Cynthiana.
Cynthiana traffic, this is Cub 808 Broadway Rock, crossing over midfield at 2500. And a drop down and enter left downwind